Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2021 Renault Trafic, stock number 7350. It's ran from the 1st 2015 to the 4th 2022. Here's a K9K 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a K9K 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.